P-E-A-C-E. Baby, come and be my piece. It can be simple as 1, 2, 3.
It's Naz, and welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. So, as you can tell, the camera's kind of movie because I'm holding the camera, because throughout the following video, the lighting is still ass. So, I am so sorry if you guys can't tell what I'm doing, but as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my eyelash tutorial, my mascara routine, aka all of that.
I'm trying to get a proper stand with my hand, but
enjoy the following clips and hope you guys follow my routine and send in some pictures to me if that's possible. Thank you. So first and foremost, we're gonna take our mascaras. I use the Lash Sensational mascara. I use,
I think this is a Lancome. I believe this is Lancome, and I think the title wiped off.
in the color Black is Black, but I only use one side of this one, and I use the telescopic. So I use those three. Don't mind my crusty nails. I use those three, but first what you want to do is warm these bad boys up, because that makes such a difference. So I'm gonna sit on them. So second step, what you want to do is curl your lashes. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I like to hold it on the root, and then I like to go up a little bit.
I don't know if you guys can tell what I'm doing.
Yes. What? It's already made such a huge difference. And then we're gonna do the second one. The next step that I do is take any primer that you have and coat your lashes. Now let that dry. You want it to dry not too completely, but dry to the point where the white is gone. So this is almost done. This one I just put on, so it makes sense if it's not done. I swear, is it just me? This lash always turns out so fire, and this lash always turns out like less fire, if that makes any sense. I don't know why it turns out so less nice compared to this one. It's like just now. Let me put a just now example. Just now, as I was doing this lash, my mom called my phone 3 times. 3 times. 3 fucking times. While this one, I just put on and it's just chilling, you know? The next step that we're gonna do is take our Lash Sensational mascara. It's the pink one. And we're gonna coat our lashes. And the way to get the most effective length is if you take it from the bottom up. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see. Try to fan out your lashes. See all these marks I'm getting on my face? Is A-okay. We could take them off at the end, so that's not a problem. Let it dry some more. Then, I don't know why, for the heck of it, I like taking my telescopic and I'm just going over it again. This one dry a little bit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do.
Okay. Now give it another 10 seconds, and you can leave it like this if you want, but I want a more like Vivam look, so I'm gonna put another layer of my pink mascara. Now I'm just doing my bottom lashes. I don't know why, whenever I do my bottom lashes, I always make the funkiest face. So Now you want to take a spoolie and just lightly, you know, all the marks that you made or that I made, just go take those off. I'll show you. You don't have to be really harsh on your skin. You just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? It's off. Like it never was there. What marks? It was marks. That's fine. So yes guys, I did change the angle because the lighting was ass, like I discussed in the beginning of the video. I am so sorry. I will get better. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. But like, comment, subscribe, all that goodish, and join my journey. Hope you guys have a blessed day, you beautiful souls, and see you next time.